Hello, my name is Jack and I'm from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this brand new Audi.
So this is the vehicle in question. This is our brand new Audi Q3 Sportback 35 TFSI Black Edition with the S-tronic transmission. Now, this particular example is also finished in the striking Glacier White metallic paintwork, which has really given this vehicle that standout look. Now, as we look towards the key features, and with this being the Black Edition model, it does feature the additional glossback elements around, such as the window surrounds, rear diffuser, front grille, and also wing mirror housing to add that lovely contrast. Moving on now to the exterior key features, where we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys, there are these Black Edition specific 19-inch 5 twin-arm design diamond cut alloys, a part of the Audi Sport lineup, and they do really stand out against that lovely white paint. To the side of the Q3, there is the rear privacy glass, in which does keep the rear occupants from view, but does blend in nicely with the gloss black window surround. Moving into the rear boot space now of the Q3 Sportback, where we do find a sizable 530 litre boot capacity. It is a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags. Now moving into the rear seats, we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement the exterior. There is also a leather centre armrest, in which is fold down for added comfort, as well as housing 2 useful cup holders. There are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, and which can easily accommodate 3 occupants. Moving into the front now, we do find a very well designed and high quality interior, with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, alcantara, aluminium and gloss black. With this being the Black Edition model, it does mean the vehicle features the full leather seats with the white stitching and also the S logos on both front seats. Above now, we do find a virtual cockpit display, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters. On the screen you can also access telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle information. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we find this MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation, and does also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving just below this now, we do also find the equally impressive climate control. It is very easily adjustable and is displayed with an LED screen. Below that, you do also find the adjustable features for the screen just above.
This vehicle does come with a 3 years manufacturer's warranty and a 3 years roadside assistance. For more information, do contact us now on 01785 899 417 or inquire online.